Good day, class. Our lesson for today is about linear regression. So, gagamit tayo ng data analysis. Is seen as one of the options here in Excel. Excuse me. Okay, so let's start. Meron tayong, in linear regression, meron tayong two variables which are known. So, dito sa example natin, we have weight and then the efficiency. So, yung weight dito, this is the independent variable, no? Pag sinabing independent variable, ito yung predictor variable. While yung efficiency, this is the dependent variable, no? Dependent variable, which is the response variable. Okay. So, first step is we go to the data tab, seen in the upper portion. So, we click data analysis. So, may lalabas na bagong window dyan, no? So, just choose among these options or tools is the regression, then okay. Then, may bago na namang yung window na lalabas. So, we just deselect the following. So, sa una, no, we have the input Y range. So, sa input Y range, i-highlight mo lahat ng Y. So, di ba ang Y natin is the efficiency. So, just highlight this all. Then, okay. So, for the X, input X range, pipiliin mo naman itong weight. Highlight pati yung label niya. Okay. And then, yung sa i-tick mo o i-check mo yung labels kasi natin siya, hin-highlight natin niya kasama yung word efficiency at saka yung weight. And then sa output range, itututok mo siya kung saan mo gusto. Let's say dito sa portion na to, dito lalabas yung data. Then click OK. So makikita natin may lalabas na summary output. So makikita natin dito yung sa regression statistics, isa sa mga pinaka-importante tinitingnan dyan is yung R-square. So the percentage R-square is 72.92%. So, sinasabi dyan, as you approach to 1 or 100%, much nagiging strong yung relationship. Okay, for the graph, gagawa pa tayo ng graph. Ang proseso niyan is to choose insert naman, insert tab. Then we are going to do scatter plot. So, choose scatter. So, ang pipiliin mo ito na yung pinakauna, which is puro dots. Then, makikita mo, just move this side. And just select data, next step. Okay, so you can see a new window will pop out. Ang gagawin mo lang, select add, no? Click add to add entries. So may ano yan, no? May bagong lalabas na naman ng window na pangalan edit series. So the series name, since we are seeking the relationship between weight and efficiency, so the series name is you type weight versus efficiency. Okay. Then meron na namang portion dito, series x values. Series x values. So sa series x values, so we choose, you highlight all, no? The x values. So, without the label. Ito naman sa series y values, you highlight all the y values. You do not include the label. And then click OK. So, iibahin lang natin ang konti ng lumabas. Change this. Left click all the points. Then right click. And then just choose scatter. Yan. Kita nyo, puro na lang siya dot. If you want to add trend line, yung meron siyang linya. So, yung linya niya, no, will represent all the dots. So, you just click again all the one of the points. Yan. No? Left click and then right click. And then choose add trend line. So, may lalabas na ganyan. Siyempre, pipiliin natin is by default linear na huwag mo nang aayusin. Huwag mo nang babaguhin yan. And then, ano natin dito, you pick or choose display equation on chart. And then display r squared value on chart. And then click close. So, ito mag-a-appear siya. Just move this on the upper side, upper right corner. So, as you can observe, yung r squared value niya is similar to the r squared value here, seen here in the summary output. Parehas siya here. Okay, so, multiply mo lang siya by 100%. So, it becomes 72.92%. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial natin na ito. And good luck. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.